The Space Shuttle.
By Malcolm Ford.
By Bobby Hosfeld.
Wolf Douglas.
And Stephanie Ernest.
The Space Shuttle, the most complex vehicle ever built, was first thought up when President Richard Nixon formed a space task group, chaired by Vice President Spiro T. Agnew, that evaluated shuttle studies and recommended building a reusable space shuttle system. Their primary goal was to create a much less expensive way for NASA, Department of Defense, and other commercial scientific users to access space.
The Space Shuttle program officially began in 1972, but the first mission was launched in 1981. The shuttle launched was Enterprise, however, it was built for approach and landing tests to help with the other 4 shuttles that will be built after Enterprise, which also had no ability to fly into orbit.
On January 28, 1986, the Space Shuttle Challenger broke apart 73 seconds into the mission, killing 6 astronauts and 1 teacher. It broke apart because a O-ring failure on the right solid rocket booster. On February 1st, 2003, the Space Shuttle Columbia broke apart during re-entry. During the launch, a piece of the foam insulation broke off the external rocket and struck the left wing.
In total, 6 space shuttles were built, 5 of them actually going into orbit because Enterprise was essentially a test shuttle. Columbia's first mission was to go to the moon, but as time passed, it exploded, returning from its 28th mission, killing all 7 crew members. Challenger flew 9 missions before it exploded, killing 6 astronauts and 1 teacher. Endeavour was built to replace Challenger, going on 25 missions before it retired. Discovery orbited for 27 years from 1984 to 2011, flying only 1 mission. Atlantis was the last shuttle mission to take in 2011. It was the only orbiter that couldn't draw power from the International Space Station. The International Space Station was originally supposed to be a United States space station. The space shuttle was used for orbital space stations and went over 15 years than originally planned.